Hello and welcome to this video about how to get set up with your Discord bot. As you can see, I'm starting from scratch, as all of you. The reason I've wanted to make this video is because, well, I watched a lot of video about how to get started with your bot, and I've encountered a lot of problems, and I actually had to search them up, and I made this video so that you don't encounter them like I did. So, first of all, you need to install Python. The Python 3.6 will be in the description. You'll have to click on this here for Mac OS 10.6 and later. You'll get this package. Open it, and you get this. You just click on continue, 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 agree, and install. You type your password, shouldn't be long. Okay, now that it's finished, you can close this and move the Python installer to trash. And now we can actually, before doing anything else, go into Finder, go into your apps. Now you should have Python 3.6 somewhere. Where is it? Okay, there it is. And click on Install Certification Commands. This should avoid you from actually getting further errors in the future when you run your code. So you click on that, it opens terminal for you, and that's done. How easy is that? So now that you have Python 3.6, you can actually install PyCharm. Download the community one, it doesn't matter. So when you've done installing it, you can click on it, wait for it to open, drag it to applications, wait for it to copy, and then it's done. Just go into your Launchpad, click on PyCharm, click on Open, and here you go. You can make a new project. Decide where you want it to go. Like I want it to go on desktop, Discord bot. I didn't create a new file yet. That doesn't matter. Create. No, that's not what I want. Well, you know what? I can just erase everything. There you go. What the hell is it? What those? I don't care. Okay, anyways, you can copy paste the code I've put in the description here, and you can click on add configurations. Click on the plus button, click Python. You want Python 3.8, want Python 3.6, and you go on script path, bot.py. So it has a good script path, apply, okay. And now what we want to do is go in terminal and write Python 3.6 -m pip install discord.py. So you wait for it to install. Okay, everything is installed now. So what you have to do is now everything's ready, but we don't actually have a bot to use with that code. So you go back on Discord, and go in the developers section. You go in apps, you create a new application, YouTube bot, create. When bot, you click add bot, yes. And before you can go in Auth2, make a bot. You can give him some roles or just give an administrator, it doesn't matter. I'm gonna give it an administrator. Then we can copy this link and just go to this link and select a server. I'm just gonna select my bot testing server, continue, authorize, beep boop boop beep, I am not a robot, buses, I know what a bus looks like, thank you. Now it's authorized. You can go on Discord and see that YouTube bot is on your server. What you can do now is you can of course close this, but what you can also do is go in the bot, you can reveal its token. Of course, never reveal a bot's token because people will just be able to do whatever they want with it, and you don't want that. So just copy this link, or just click on copy, and go on PyCharm, and where it says token, copy the token. Now we will be able to run the script, and it says bot is on. And if you go back on Discord server, it says that your bot is online. How cool is that? You have a working bot. It doesn't, for now, it doesn't actually do anything because we just made the stuff to make it. We just made the stuff to make it go online, but what you can do for that, actually, I'm just gonna go back there, and what this does, you'll be able to see. Just stop and rerun. we can do this, and also 8-ball. Does this bot work? And it works. It's just that I've made it the same prefix as YakPDB, and it's pretty annoying, but you can just go there and change it. Easy as that. 8-ball will YakPDB respond. Oh yeah, right. You need to rerun it. Okay, now you can go back. I'm just gonna copy this. Will YakPDB respond? And it answers without YakPDB. And that's pretty much it. You got a working bot. All you gotta do is install PyCharm and Python. Obviously, I'll link all of this in the description, and I'll put all the code that I've shown, because I actually didn't go really in depth on what the code actually is. I've just copy pasted it. So if you want to take a look at it, you can. So I'll also be doing a Windows tutorial maybe afterwards, and also some videos about what to actually do with your bot, some more interesting stuff with it. So see you there. Bye.